Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to announce that eufy X10 Pro Omni went out with a new color, finally white color. I am obsessed. I have literally an obsession with white color. If you will come to my house, you will see that my entire house, everything is white. I love white. So I love my technology and my gadgets also being white. I did a full review on X10 in black color about 1 year ago, as well as about 2 or 3 months ago, I've done an update review after usage of 9-10 months of the X10 daily. I am using the X10 robot for 1 year now exactly, daily. It is located here in my studio where I film all my reviews, and I'm using the X10 Omni Pro every single day to clean my studio. I can justify here right now, as a user of 1 year of the X10 Pro Omni, it holds up amazing, and even 1 year after daily usage, it works as well as it worked at the very first day. Well guys, let's get started with the review. So this is eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, coming with an impressive suction ability of 8000 PA. This is an all-in-one station for hands-free cleaning. The X10 Pro Omni has a station which is gonna wash your mops after each use with a clean water and then dry the mops with a 45 degrees by Celsius with a heated air. It also gonna automatically empty the dust bin into the station's 2.5 liters of a dust bag, which this dust bag only needs to be replaced every 2 months. But guys, from my experience with this model, I am replacing mine once in a year, and I'm using this one daily. Also, it comes with a 3 liters of a clean water tank, which is providing enough water to mop a full entire house of anywhere around 1,500 to 2,000 square feet for about 2-3 times on one full clean water tank. It is also works with a powerful, as I said before, 8000 PA suction ability for even deeper cleaning, so it can vacuum any type of a dust, any type of a debris easily. Also, this type of a powerful suction ability is best for carpets, so don't be shy to use this one on carpets. It's gonna easily vacuum in any type of a pet hair, human hair, any type of debris, dust, all that by leaving our floors crystal clear and just in one pass. Now let's talk about the mop. It works with the Mop Master 2.0 high technology for spotless floors. The Mop Master 2.0 works with 180 rotations per minute and with 1 kilogram of downward pressure. The X10 Pro Omni works with a dual mop pads high technology. With this type of a pads technology, it's easier for the robot to remove any type of a stains, any type of a wet mess, and any type of a dry stains even. So it's not just mopping your floor gently, it's actually scrubbing, washing your floors, which is amazing. By the way, the mops are gonna be automatically lifted by 12 millimeters by the robot once it's gonna sense carpet underneath to prevent any wetness that can be caused to your carpet. Also, by the way, once it's gonna sense a carpet underneath, it's gonna automatically increase the suction power to the maximum possible that it has. That's amazing, so it's good for any type of hard floors, as well as it's amazing for carpets. It also works with the AI.C smart cleaning technology. That's for the mopping. That type of technology is there for a better obstacle avoidance ability. So the robot is capable of identifying over 100 of different objects like wires, shoes, toys, even at night. Yes, it has a great ability of a night vision, so you can activate your robot any time of the day, any season of the year. The smart application can customize cleaning scenarios to customize your cleaning routine up to your personal needs. It also works with an auto detangling roller brush, so this robot ain't scared of even a long human hair. As you can see right now on your screens, guys, it is picking up the hair in absolutely impressive and amazing way, while the roller brush stays without all the hair on. So how is the auto detangling roller brush technology works like? So the roller brush rotates in reverse, so it goes forward, reverse all the time, and the Pro detangled comb flips down to loosen and to remove the hair which is wrapped around the roller brush, so you don't have to. This is another feature that is completely freeing my hands and that that I love so very much. So there is no need to mess up around all these hairy brushes to clean them, to cut all these hair down. No need in that. It is gonna automatically do it for you. It also works with an iPath laser navigation. This is an exclusive technology only to eufy, which this technology is creating an efficient, correct, and best cleaning route and path around your house. So it's learning the environment and creating the best route to give you the best results at the cleaning of your floors. Also works with a customizable AI point map 3.0. So through the smart application, using this high technology, you can create a no-go zones at your map. You can totally edit your map in any way you want. Also, you can create virtual boundaries and way more, so that your robotic vacuum will clean your space in the way you want it. And of course, that everything, like every possible thing from scheduling to timing to how many times you want a specific area of your house to be cleaned, everything is available for a personalization through the smart application of eufy. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Let me know, what do you think? Let me know if you're excited the same way I do about the new white color, because it's just gonna blend so better in my house decor, in my studio decor, if you know what I mean. So I'm extra excited about the white color. So guys, all of the links for X10 Pro Omni are gonna be located down below at the description box of this video of mine, as well as any other type of information. It's a new launch, so discounts, I feel like the money just falls from the air into my face. So guys, discounts, coupon codes, any type of promotions, sales, everything gonna be located down below at the description box of this video of mine, so be so very sure to check it all out. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Be so very sure to check out X10 Pro Omni by eufy. And that was actually all for today. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.